So hello guys, I'm Cristallo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make background drop by using FL Studio stock synths. First add a piano and make a drop melody. I've added these slide notes to make the drop interesting. I've loaded one citrus, 4 harmonics, 2 GMS and 1 morphine. Now I will select preset in all of them. I will use preloaded preset in citrus. I will turn off delay and reverb from all plugins. I'm selecting this classic rave preset in first harmonic. I've taken the drop melody 1 octave up in first harmonic. I'm selecting bounce preset in second harmonic. I'm selecting aural synapse preset in third harmonic. I'm selecting Brooks preset in fourth harmonic. I'm replacing second GMS with toxic biazard. I'm selecting these Look Me No Filter preset in morphine. Select all drop leads and press Ctrl+L. Now all the drop leads are assigned to these mixer channels. I will route this to one empty mixer channel. Now I will add parametric EQ in all droplets for cutting low frequencies. Now I will name this as drop leads. Now I will cut some annoying frequencies. I'm adding blood overdrive. To make drop leads sound fat, I'm using only 55% of blood overdrive, because these droplets are already compressed inside plugins. And I'm using Soundjedizer for saturation. Now I'm adding another EQ for cutting lows added by blood overdrive and Soundjedizer. Now I'm adding peak controller and fruity reverb. I'm linking reverb to peak controller to sidechain the reverb. Now I'm adding gross beat for sidechaining leads. I'm adding stereo enhancer for making drop leads wider. I'm increasing some high frequencies. Now I'm increasing some mid frequencies. I'm increasing volume of some leads. I'm adding one more layer to make drop leads full. I've added this snares to make the drop tight. These are the effects I've used in Snare Channel. I'm adding one more hammer to make mid bass. I've added 3 times oscillator to make white noise. After some mixing the mid bass and white noise, they sounds like this. Then I've added drums effects and one shots. After doing some arrangements, they sound like this.